In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use BCC in Outlook. If you want to send an email without showing every recipient to everyone else, the BCC field is exactly what you need. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it lets you include recipients privately. This is especially helpful when you're sending a message to a larger group and you want to protect people's email addresses or keep the recipient list confidential. To get started, open Outlook and go to your inbox. This is your main mail screen, and it's where you'll begin creating a new message. If you're already signed in, you should land here automatically. Taking a moment to start from the inbox helps make sure you're in the right place before composing your email. Once you're in the inbox, click on New. This opens the menu for creating something new in Outlook. If you use Outlook regularly, this is the same area where you would normally go to start a message, event, or other item. For this walkthrough, we're focusing specifically on creating a new email. Next, click on Mail. This opens a fresh email draft where you can begin entering recipients, adding a subject line, and writing your message. At this point, you'll usually see the standard fields like To and possibly CC, depending on your Outlook layout. If the BCC option is not already visible, don't worry. That's normal in some versions of Outlook. Now, click on BCC. This will reveal the BCC field in your email draft, allowing you to enter the email addresses of the people you want to receive the message privately. Anyone listed in the BCC field will get the email, but other recipients will not be able to see their addresses. That's the key benefit of using BCC. When using BCC, it's a good idea to double check that you're placing recipients in the correct field. The To field is usually for the main recipient, CC is for visible copied recipients, and BCC is for hidden recipients. This can help you avoid accidentally sharing contact information with a group. After the BCC field appears, you can continue composing your email as usual. Add your message, review everything carefully, and make sure the right people are included in the right places before sending. And that's how to use BCC in Outlook. It's a simple feature, but it's incredibly useful for privacy, professionalism, and cleaner group communication.